For a safe and confident ride, rear view mirrors are critical. If they are loose or vibrate while you are riding, stop and fix them in a few simple steps. The only tool you will require for this is a 14 mm open-end spanner. First, ensure that the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Slide the rubber protective cover to access the adjuster nut. Loosen the nut and slightly tighten as per your convenient viewing angle. Repeat the same process with the mirrors on both the sides. If there is any free play, tighten it with the help of a 14 mm open-end spanner till they are firm. You are ready to hit the road again. Keep riding.